See spirit.
Spirit will kill you. Mumu.
You don't know what?
Want to kill your head. Ozubu. You want to fuck? Oh yeah, go fuck. Devil will punish you. Go now. Go.
What the fuck again? What the fuck again? No. Jesus.
Vicky, what did they worry you? Why be saying anytime when I tell you something, you know they take up?
I beg. I beg.
Vicky, I dey warn you. Vicky, I dey warn you.
Honey, I beg. No go do am again. I beg. I beg.
Vicky, me go dey talk to you. You see now wetin come from.
What do they smell? What do they smell for all this place? Jesus Christ! Eh? Red label. Victor!
Oh, you this woman. What the behind this one, huh? You again?
Victor!
You don't leave me.
What the behind this one?
I bet.
Victor!
What thing?
You dey smoke. Victor, you dey drink for my house. Victor!
I bet don't do it.
Na party I do what I carry come from Bobo.
What's happening with that about you doing? You never carry me because you don't leave me. I don't come.
Victor, I for leave you for Nigeria.
Hey, for leave me.
May they for kill you.
Kill who? Kill me.
You.
You don't know me. Kill.
Yeah, say we have no body call ya.
Forget that thing.
Victor, your papa, he don't know what that two of una go eat. He don't know where that two of una go get.
I let me put my papa for this matter. If you want to talk to me, oh. What do papa do you? I need to talk to my papa.
Jesus Christ.
Come on, I call you where you did.
Victor, let me talk to that.
America, come on, bro.
Victor, let me.
Hey, what do you want to do? You want something?
Jesus Christ, Victor, what did they do to the mommy?
Mommy, this one.
Hey, Victor, mommy.
You know me. Tell your mama. Oh. Explain how to your mama.
Victor,
Make you know.
Victor, see. You don't be too much. You don't be too much. I don't do.
Who call you?
Victor, mind you. Mommy, and then you want
get the man to there.
We shall see.
We're not gonna say anything.
We shall see.
There go. We're not saying anything.
Victor,
we shall see every day. The church we shall see what.
You like that?
I bet. What will be your problem?
Seriously.
What will be your problem
for this aspect?
Now your character. Your character.
You don't need too much. You don't need too much.
You are not turning when I come when I will knock this door. If you enter this room again, what you not see? Nonsense. Now your matter never pass your matter. I beg you. Nonsense. Every day, person go wake up. Peace no go day. Money they no go give person. Person go get mama, go get sister, they give a problem. This for get luck. If say Nigeria will there, I for don't use them do money. They for their head for don't pass road. When see, I don't want 12. If you not come this room again, you not go like me. You not go like me. You not want cause spoil person joy. Not be so now they give me joy. I find joy myself and I want spoil her. Una will see her now. Mama see enough now for this room again. Nonsense. Una not fit spoil my joy. Una not fit spoil my joy.
Vicky, what did they worry you? Why be saying anytime when I tell you something, you know they take up?
I beg.
Vicky, I dey warn you. Vicky, I dey warn you.
Honey, I beg. No go do am again. I beg.
Vicky, me go dey talk to you. You see now wetin come from your mind.
I beg, honey, I beg.
What did they worry you?
See, if I do am again, do me anything wey you want. I beg. Honey, I beg. I no go do am again. I beg.
See, Vicky, you don't as I dey see you so it be like say you want to dey try me.
I beg.
Vicky, as you say you stubborn so, I will tell you say I stubborn, but what did they do you?
Honey, I beg, no vex. I beg.
Vicky, how you dey reason me? Vicky, how many times I don't warn you?
Honey, I
when
beg.
When they repeat everything when they say I don't like.
I beg.
As I dey look so, my friend, get out of my front.
I beg.
Get this place. Come here. Idiot. See as person be like picking when they do jara on that children. Nonsense.
Oh. See as we can just scatter everywhere. Victor. Eh? I'm gonna give my picking maybe this. Eh? Where in Congo I'm not seeing for this house. Eh? See house. See if they see me. What did they see me for this room? I go find out today. I go tell Victor say na me born Victor. Me, na me born Victor. Not be Victor born me. Na me born Victor. Jesus! Hey! What's up with this? Hey! What's up with this one? Who I wanted this one to? Who I wanted this one to? Because we are kind of conjure rope. No wonder. Everywhere they smell. Everywhere they smell. See bed. See bed where human being they sleep. See bed where human being they sleep. Victor. This room, I no go come out for this room. Victor go come meet me for inside this room. Today. See bed. See bed. Oh, René because eh? I beat this boy, they go thief for my card. I don't trust now. I don't know whether they go to thief my cards. Because I don't trust her again. You go see what they find for my body. I think since I be hide. Now me ain't for this house. I go do what the body they forbid. Go do. You never see all this book. They go to all of the Igbo. One person go, you drink all these things. They don't see you. Hey, Victor, I not can see. They beg for a brother. We shall see.
They happen. Who enter here? Which kind of nonsense is this one? Me don't know where I keep this thing again. Which kind of nonsense is this? This woman don't come here again. What be this one? Which can't be this one? This woman again? This woman again? First you, the only thing what's they make me get joy. This woman want you to scatter my joy. Why this woman they do me like this? What did I do her? What did me do her? Eh? Listen. No, this woman say no like peace. This woman say no like peace. Make sure no worry. I'll give her pieces. I'll give her pieces. Mom.
What did they worry this Vicky safe? If she make me vex, this place I know they go again. And this will make me not go this party, This guy go yell and hot for this house, Vicky! Vicky!
Mommy, they come, I don't ready now, where would they go?
No, what did you do since?
I ready now, you know we women now, I beg on me. I don't ready, where would they go now?
Before we go, sit down, get what I want to discuss with you.
Okay.
Vicky, you see, yesterday I tell you say this party will want go, so me I not get money when I want to spray. I not get money when I want to spray. So the money when I ask you yesterday, I want me you give me now so that I'll put them inside my wallet. I don't want to reach that party. I can't go there ask you money. And the people come they reason me anyhow.
I not get. I tell you say I not get money. Eh? If I get, I'll forgive you now. I not get. I beg. I don't get. Me with they go.
No, Vicky, why be saying anytime when me just ask you money, you just give me you just give me excuse. I no get. Vicky, what be your problem?
I beg, no vex. You know, say if I get, I forgive you. See,
Vicky, wait, Vicky. I don't understand you. What be your problem? No time when you do ever they get money. I no get.
If I get money, what I can use and do? I forgive you now. I will say me get money now. I forgive you. I think say you even get the money safe. As I want to do, I beg, no verse, I beg. Me would they go the party like that? I beg.
Now you heard I want to spray when I reach here.
You know me say you must spray for party. I beg. Me would they go?
They go, I know they go again.
No verse. I no get money. If I get, I forgive you. I beg. No verse, I don't get.
Why you like me and they raise my voice all the time? Why you don't like me my content now they boy? Vicky, you they provoke me. Vicky, before I open my eye, close them again. Vicky, vanish come on for you.
Are you dressed for nothing? Which kind of like that?
If you dress for nothing, why don't that affect me? I said I know they go again. I know they go again. No problem. No, which one you don't understand for inside? My friend, come on my front.
I beg. Which kind of problem be this one?
Now be the problem.
Finish now. Go party.
Come up my front, see. Idiot. See how spicy be. No, wait to me. I don't understand. What if be Vicky problem now? This Vicky in a bad market. I think this move when I move, not be better move at all. Vicky in a bad move. Touch me with small thing, you go dey complain. I no get. And so me go out today. Vicky not be better market at all. Oh God. If you give me, Vicky not the, oh God. Jesus, I just tired for this Vicky matter. I tired for your matter,
Oh, mommy, don't start again now. What do you think? I don't like to see you like this. What do you think again?
Victoria, now your brother, Victor, or your hearing and we are your con. Now Victor, if na me born Victor, or na Victor born me, I want know. No, I want ask one question. Now bad thing, where Baba God give 2 of una to me as twins, I use my belly bone on a comment.
Mommy, if you visit Victor matter, I swear you'll kill that boy.
Victor, hold my hand. If you see Victor hand, he's strong kakaraka like Olumorok. Victoria, Victor hold my hand when I want to slap Victor like this. He hold my hand, he hand strong kakaraka like Olumorok.
It's not picking your word, Victor. It's not picking your word.
So, the bad way I do, I take carry Victor on Europe. Now, bad thing I do. Now, bad thing. I will try not for leave it to me, like all I hear for us. Una papa don't know whether I go chop. Una papa don't know whether I go eat. You don't know whether I go wear clothes at all. Don't know whether I go do anything. When I don't do Europe now, they call, go say my son, my daughter. Urobo say, oh, shock on raw. You don't have Victor, your brother. And they carry and go back to Africa. Where for carry and come? If they go there. May go follow that if pass suffer for that village. May they go there.
Mommy, wait, never wish like that. No. Mommy, Nigeria. Mommy, no. If you can't even go back to Nigeria, Mommy, you go continue courtesan.
If you don't want me be like that, my pikin, talk to your brother.
I'll talk to her.
Talk to her.
Of course.
Otherwise, if you don't talk to her, this is the plan where they say my belly. Where just the men they vibrate to say my belly. I will still execute the plan.
You know, like
I will tell and say before Abraham, they were men.
Mommy, I promise. You know,
May not worry.
Victor.
Now me born now. Now my 17 head pass comments. Now me still get it. Wow, just a carry was.
Yes, Mommy, I know that one, but I beg. They look my hair, just my alone, I beg. Mommy, I beg, never wish like
Victor will go bongo. Victor,
Mommy,
wait.
you need to Africa.
Victor will go bongo.
Mommy, I beg. I beg. I know I lose the only brother when I get, and I'm your only son. Your only son. Mommy, they say if they use right hand beat picky, they will use left hand draw and come back.
If not my only son, who no born? If they give goats, if they give them breast, may they drink. No man beer, or a jade when. Victor, if he say as I don't born and so, the breast where I give away suck, he say what beats that breast. Wait for me. Now me and Victor this you. Victor they go back to Bongo. Me. First thing, kia tomorrow morning, and they go buy KLM ticket for him. Make it a move. Victor, he dey go ass. You know say as you dey so, as you just dey so. You know say na give me my favorite, my best, my one and only Vicky, my Victoria. See the time where I dey get, where they do psychedelic. That's why I be like you. You dey see now. Now Baba God, now they pray for. Make better man come your way. Make you say yes to you. You be my favorite. No go change you. If you still change, I will still change and follow you. But get her for your medal, your twin brother, Victor. If they go Bongo, tomorrow morning now, welcome to a car.
Mommy, who Victor will come into your house? Nobody.
I don't hear you, my picky. You know say you be my favorite. My princess, my one and only. No? You don't eat?
Yes,
okay. No problem,
Thank you.
No problem. I forgive him. But talk to Rambo.
Yes, mommy.
Talk to Victor.
Of course.
If you don't talk to Victor, I will still do what they say my mind do. Victor will still go out. So
not get that mind.
talk to your twin brother. Talk to your twin brother.
I promise.
Okay. Thank you, my darling. I love you. I love you. I love you, my darling.
Your baby gave me some cash.
Hello, guy. How far now? Oh boy, don't be small thing. About talk to me. Yeah, I dey feel you. Now the way everything be, my brother. You know they understand. Now the way everything be, Baba. Make you talk to me. I dey feel you.
Honey.
I dey feel you.
Honey, see my dress. You don't find. I want to go party.
Hold on. May I attend to some issue? I'll call you back.
Honey, I want to go party. See my thing. Look my dress. Whether I don't find.
Vicky, what be your problem? What concern me concern your dressing?
No vex, I beg. I for not ask you just now. I just say, since you say now you be my man, and I can't say me I can't ask you. Not be quarrel. You dey quarrel. We whatever. I understand.
No, common sense. No tell you say you supposed to wait till I receive my call finish before you go talk to me or ask me any question.
You don't do now. I beg. No dey vex again. You don't reach. Okay, so
if you want to go party, you want to carry me follow body.
Baba, no vex, I also make you help me check my dress whether if I want to go party, Now everything person they quarrel they put, take it easy now.
If person ask you money, you go dey complain. No, tell me, wetin you wear when person never wear before?
Okay, no vex. Now mistake I take ask you.
No, Vicky, why they use your reggae they spoil my bruise? You see, say I dey so they receive my call. Vicky, wetin be your problem? You know the wise?
No vex, Joe.
My friend, come off my front.
Okay, so take it easy. No vex.
Come off my front.
No, let me carry. Tired, bro.
When they use around, they disturb me. If person ask too money, now you they complain. I not get. You want go? If you want go, party that can't affect me. They use your reggae, they spoil my blues. See as human being be. No, the let person they get peace every time. Go they make person they shout. Hello, Baba.
Victor again. Victor, this kind of life you like him.
Which kind of life are they live?
You dey smoke, you dey drink, you dey club, you dey pack people they come out. See your room this.
Now me start to the drink. Now me start to the smoke.
Oh.
Now me start to the go club.
Victor, I'm not tasting how you start all these things. But your own is too much.
You want that? Una no want give me peace. I dey Nigeria. Popsy give me problem. I come abroad. Momsy they give me problem. Okay, why she carry me come? She don't say no problem she want to give me. Why?
Victor, nobody they give you problem. Nobody. Instead, you they give yourself problem with all this drink.
Now you dey give yourself problem.
Like what even a problem for this house? Why you and mom no one leave me?
Victor, I just come talk to you. I not see me.
If you want to talk to me, you talk to me. Talk with I go to hear. Don't tell me nonsense. But you dey talk now, it makes sense.
Which place you feel listening to?
I dey hear you. Talk.
Victor, you need to stop this life. You really need to stop this life. You do it for Nigeria, it not favor you. You think na here, it go take favor you. No.
See, ma tell you. You and your mama, they make me the face.
Oh God.
I swear to God, you and your mama, they make me imagine the last time she actually want to slap me. Over waiting. Say I dey sleep for my own room.
So your mom not get right to slap you?
Which right she get? I'll tell Nigeria, your popsy, Papa, like, give me problem. I come here, Male, give me problem. You want to join, they give me problem. You have my twin sister.
Victor, nobody they give you problem, and you just give yourself problem. If you stop this life, I swear, this house will get peaceful.
What do you talk when you're the enter my head at all? Because you want to make me the verse the join. And they try to take everything when it happen for this house. But no, not the one they use on our sense, especially you and that your mama. You they talk with her, I know they understand. What you they talk, no they enter my brain. It not they make sense at all. Now your mama you go talk to.
Victor, what be your problem?
My problem is you and your mama. Now two be my problem.
Okay, wait, what you say you must see doing she never do?
We will go ask her. Now 12 now, not the one I say they do nothing. You they get now 12 now, no how I say they do nothing. One how they include me for anything at all.
Calm down.
I didn't hear you. I'm not deaf.
Calm down.
Why everybody thinks I decrease? No, they understand. I know the crease. I know the crease. I am okay.
Thank you, but I beg, stop all these things now. See, because of you, mom, see this. She dey cry every day.
Now she know why she did. Not be me.
Oh my, they cry. You know
not be me. Not be me. No, they tell me say not me. Not be me at all. You know, get what I don't do that woman. You know, now she dey give me problem. Because she know want me to get peace. Man, enjoy the kind of life where I can't live.
Victor, I beg.
Victoria, I dey hear you.
I dey beg you, as your sister. Stop this life.
You never tell me the kind of life I live.
Stop to the drink and smoke.
I don't want you to hear you tell me all those nonsense. I just got beg you. You get where? Now because you're my twin sister, I make her they look you sometimes. Say you they see her.
It's bad. And those are weird friends.
It don't do. Before you go start to advise me, I want to see your boyfriend for this house. Because now me and you now the same. You know if you advise me for anything at all.
Oh, so now
matter. Now so you'll be. If you never marry, you want to go marry, you come up for this house, and you want to advise me. For my own ass. For my mass. I mean, you don't say now me get this ass. Now me be first son. Now me be the only son.
Victor.
The first and the only for this ass.
Mama still there alive, eh? I mean they forget that one.
She go still there one day. Now must.
So I don't know you wait for.
Babe, Alpha, if you don't say no going to me like this, I bet pack yourself the way you enter. Come out.
Victor, you go regret this thing.
Thank you.
I just talk to you as a sister. You go regret this thing. I tell you, you go regret.
Come and go. Thank you. Thank you.
Victor, don't let your life waste like this.
Let me get the life. Not be your life. Live my life, man. Live your life, man. Live my life. Not my life. You hear me? Sure you hear me so? Don't try this thing next time. Don't carry me sit down and tell me nonsense. Next time, I beg for your life.
Victor, I get right.
You don't get right.
I get.
Even your mama don't get right. No try again.
Ha!
Come they go.
Victor,
come they go.
You want to sleep more for your room?
They go. Get up.
Victor.
Out. They go. I don't want to see you for this room again. Don't ever enter this room again. Nonsense.
No verse. I'll do.
The fish block her.
Now wow, you don't know say outside like that. You just sit down just like that. It's dangerous now.
Even before I call you now, train station now I sleep. Now it's okay. May I see stroke come out. Now you just see me for that place.
You even sleep train station yesterday.
Yes, mama.
Ah no God, why Vicky do?
I want to say if they dark now, I go there, go sleep back.
He don't do. No go as first. Though.
Take it. This one now. This one you want me to eat. That's what it be.
For Vicky house when I did there, nothing I know do for Vicky. I did watch Vicky play.
Don't wash her plate. She can't just maybe as you like that. At least talk the main truth.